Hi guys, I'm Travis Taylor here from Capital City Nissan in Topeka, Kansas, also known as the Salsa robot on YouTube. Today I want to show you this 2023 Nissan Altima SV Premium Package. Let's check out this car. This thing is awesome. Okay guys, here it is. This is the 2023 Nissan Altima. At first glance you're thinking they have changed nothing. Well, you're completely wrong. Check out these wheels. These are some cool looking 17-inch wheels. There's a new wheel for 2023. I'm really digging it. Makes me jealous. I think the wheels on my 2023 Altima are kind of boring. Those are pretty cool wheels. Up front here, this is the SV with a premium package. You'll notice no fog lights. I don't know why that is. You'd think for a mid-trim level with a premium pack you would get fog lights, but apparently you don't. I'll have to look into maybe there's another package you got to get the fog lights on an SV, but I'm not quite sure there. I got to dig into that. I'm going to pull back here. Check out the front of this. We've got a different grille design on the 23. That V-motion grille looks a little bigger to me on the 23s, and there's a bit of a dark out accent on the sides of the grille over here and there, but it just makes the front end of the car look even more aggressive to me. That looks like an angry front end, but cool. Pull back. I'm going to walk around this way. This is the gun metallic gray color. You'll notice body color mirrors. This has got the splash guards down there. Chrome for the door handles. You still got that nice chrome piece that chases the top of the door there and kicks up here at the back. Kind of a floating roof design. Like all Nissans, you'll see that roof carries over, looks like it's floating because of this back black trim there. Wrap around taillights, wrap around headlights. I'm gonna keep walking back around this way. This Altima's got a spoiler on it. You'll see the white emblem here. It's like a silver color with the white accent. That's pretty cool. But then when you go over to this Altima, that almost looks like it's body color, but it's not. It's like a matte silver or gray. Same for the SV emblem. You'll see this one does have the chrome trunk protector right there that keeps from scratching up your bumper. I'm sorry, I called it a trunk protector. That's a bumper protector. Button right there opens the trunk up. You'll see in here, this one's got the cool tray. That's an added like $195 option. That organization tray, it's got like an emergency roadside kit, a first aid kit. Let me pull that over here. And as you can see, there's like a cargo net to hold that stuff in there. If I push that back, you still got, let me see if I can move the camera there. You've got a 60-40 split rear seat. That's done from right here. You can drop those seats. There's one on the other side. And then this does have the hangers that pull down for your grocery bags to keep them from sliding everywhere. Really cool option. Underneath the trunk floor there is where your spare tire and jack tool is. Come back this way. Nice look at the rear end. To tell you the truth, looking at this, I don't know if there's much of a difference there from my 2020 to the 23 on the rear end. The main difference I see is up front on these cars. I'll show you right here. This is why I personally own an Altima. Look at that gas mileage. 27 in town, that's a joke. If you drive like me, you average more like 32 to 35 in town. Says 39 on the highway. I average 42 to 45 on the highway, but that's normally with an empty car, not carrying luggage. When I took our Altima on vacation last year, we drove 1,900 miles, trunk completely full of crap, like you can imagine on a family vacation, and I still got 35 miles per gallon with the trunk loaded and all of us in the car, and that was averaging about 85 miles per hour the whole way. Well, I'm going to go ahead, set up from another angle and show you the rear seat room in this car. I think you're going to like it. Okay guys, I'm here in the back seat of the 23 Altima SV Premium Package. I'll show you from here. You've got on this one here in the back seat, this is a little weird. It's a black door handle. Up front, you have a chrome accent door handle because of the way the trim piece is up on the front, but I'll show you that. It's just something most people will never notice. I'm weird and just noticed it. Of course, look, on most vehicles, this does have adjustable headrests for the front seats. The back seats are fixed. You have the latch system here for car seats. You do have the fold down armrest, cup holders here, bottle holders in each door. So that's 4 for the 3 people that can fit in the back seat. SV premium package. I don't get vents on the back of the console for the air conditioner, but I do get charging ports down here, which if you have kids, you know how important that is. I've got tripod mounts right here, and of course dome lights back here, controls here. If I have these off, I believe that they'll just go corresponding with the ones in front. When you open the doors, you'll get the light on, but if not, they're off. I don't know, you can see this in this shot. You have the adjustable seat belts that go up and down for the front seat passengers. This used to be this tan color. At least that's how it is on all the Altimas I've seen. This is the first one I've seen where this is actually black. It's an offset color, and I think it's kind of cool looking. So I'm kind of glad they did that. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to set up a different camera angle and show you some more stuff on this vehicle. Before I hop up front, I wanted to show you this view here from the back seat. Move up here. There's that trim piece I was talking about, and you'll see now the inside door handle, sorry about that, in the front seat, different color than the back seat. It's black in back, but it's like a silver, brushed aluminum or silver up here in the front to match that trim piece. You'll see there's a faux wood grain that follows the dash line, and it's broken up again by that brushed aluminum or silver trim piece. But it gives it kind of a refined look, even though this is a mid-trim level car. It's pretty cool looking. You've got silver stitching to the leather top of the console, and that offset silver stitching goes along with the stitching on the seats, as you can see. But let me move up to the front. All right, guys, I'm up here. I'm in the front seat of the Altima. I'm gonna switch camera angles here and show you around the front. Okay, just like normal, I like to start on the driver's door. Here's your power windows, power locks, your power mirror. Up along here, here's your steering assist button that turns that on and off. There's a trunk release. This dims and brightens your dash lights. And there's your trip reset for your tripometer. This is a tilting, telescoping wheel. That's all just on this release here. You have your headlight on and off. I always put it on auto. There's your turn signals. Over here you have your wiper controls. You have a leather wrap steering wheel with this nice, let's see if I can get a good angle, nice stitching on that steering wheel. Of course, there's your silver and white logo for the Nissan there on your steering wheel. Up here, track selection, volume selection for your radio. Here's a back button. These buttons here, of course, control that center heads-up display of the Altima. You got digital gauges, or a digital speedometer in there if you like, right there with your compass. Your traffic sign recognition there for your speed limit, very cool. You got a thermometer, clock, analog tach, analog speedometer. Wouldn't surprise me going into 24 if we don't start seeing this just fully digital like the Rogue and the Pathfinder. But look at this. This is the star of the show. I have a 20 Altima, smaller screen. 23, we've gone to a bigger screen here. Very cool. They've set, of course this is a touch screen. They've set different kind of ways to work this. I need to play with it a little bit to get better at it. It took me a little second. I figured out how to pair my phone. which I found you can just hit this phone button here. This thing's so intuitive. You hit this button and go to the Bluetooth on your phone, and it's already showing up on your Bluetooth, so you can just pair it. And then you go into this screen, you've got all your apps. Of course, this is, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on this, SMX, Sirius XM radio traffic information there. You get a lot of that when you pair up and use your Nissan Connect. Here's your button for that up here. Nissan Connect's really cool. Connects the car to your phone. They've kept it simple here. I like this one singular volume button in the middle of the dash. I noticed that. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I activated something.
Canceling voice recognition.
Look at that. I noticed in the release of information for the new Aria, this is how it is in the Aria. There's one button in the middle of the dash. Everything else is smooth digital. But you got a couple buttons there for track selection, a camera button. Here's your backup camera. And then you've got, that takes the predictive lines out. If I hit that button, you'll see those predictive lines back in there. Come down here. Super simple. Knobs and buttons. I love that. Your heated seat buttons right here. Premium package SV, you don't get heated steering wheel, but still you get these heated seats, and that's nice. I go down below, I have a cordless phone charger right here. I just lay my phone here, it starts charging. This little spot right here, that lights up when your phone's charging, so you know it's charging. There's 2 charge ports there and also a 12 volt right there if you need it. Now put it in park. Nice shifter as usual, leather shift boot, chrome accents, brushed aluminum. There's your push button. 2 cup holders here in the console, plus you have bottle holders in the door. 8 total drinks you can carry around in this car for 5 people. Very cool. There's your parking brake and your auto hold. Look in the console. Got a nice big console there. What is this? I wonder what this is. Does that hold like soap? What is this? Phone charging. That's cool. Cool little thing Nissan puts in there. As you can see, nice cloth seats in these. They've changed this insert here. This is a little different than what we've had in the past. It's a little different design. Still very cool. Follow this across. There's that chrome accent I was talking about. I'm sorry, I call it chrome. It's more of a brushed aluminum look, but very cool. Follows all along the dash. Up top here, you've got your rear view mirror. Of course, your glasses right there, like I've shown you. There's your SOS button for your Nissan Connect. And then this button here is for your sunroof right there. One touch operation. You hit the button and it does it all itself. Well guys, that's all I got for you today for the 2023 Nissan Altima SV Premium Package. Again, a lot of bang for your buck in this car. You've got your Pro Pilot, which I guess I kind of grazed right over this. This has Pro Pilot and intelligent cruise control. Like every Nissan, there's a pretty darn safe car loaded up with safety technology. And also you get your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's a lot of value here in this car for the price, along with great gas mileage. And it's a Nissan, so it's pretty darn well built, I can tell you that. Again, I am Travis Taylor from Capital City Nissan, Topeka, Kansas, also known as the Salsa Robot on YouTube. Try to make a video for you every day. I'll make you another video tomorrow. But y'all have a good day, and please remember, click and subscribe. That really helps me out.